borrowing from what he said, even from amongst Ahlul Sunnah, people who ascribe to Salafiyyah, you'd usually see amongst them, they want to gatekeep Salafiyyah. For example, I listen to, Ibn bin Bas. I'll come to you. Do you listen to Ibn Bas? No. I listen to Sheikh Rabi, rahimahullah, rahmatan wasi'ah. You're not from Salafiyyah. Which scholar do you listen to? Assim Al-Hakeem? No. I listen to scholar so and so. If you don't listen to him, you don't follow him, you don't ascribe yourself to him, you're not a true Salafi. So this type of concept, like gatekeeping Salafiyyah, or making the ticket into Salafiyyah, listening to a particular sheikh. If you don't listen to that particular sheikh, you are not. Or even if you listen to that particular sheikh, but you listen to someone outside their own boundaries of Salafiyyah, they categorize you as a non-Salafi. As students of knowledge, how do you balance these extremes, and from which type of scholars should you seek knowledge from?
First of all, this is a fitna, unfortunately, that was started in the 90s, and it spread like wildfire. And unfortunately, it was, I would say, fueled.
That's a caller. We have a caller now.
Let him finish. Maybe Sheikh.
Inshallah, Sheikh can.
So it was unfortunately fueled.
Sheikh, carry on.
Sure.
Yeah.
Akid. Okay. This fitna, unfortunately, was fueled by shaitan. People who were like us, they read the same books of Aqidah, they pray in the same way following the Prophet ﷺ, they follow the same Salafi ideology in all aspects. They differed over one or two things, and the gap started widening. And enemies of Islam started putting wood to the fire to enrage it. And this is what shaitan cherishes and loves the most. As Allah mentioned in Surah Al-Ma'idah, shaitan wants to create division, wants to prevent you from doing dhikr, and to put animosity and hatred in your hearts through intoxicants, through gambling and the likes. So the gap widened, and unfortunately we got people thinking that they are the guardians of the galaxy. So they think that, oh, Salafism is my club, is my family heritage. So I will put you in or I will put you out. And they started saying, no, don't use Sheikh bin Baz and Ibn Uthaymeen's name. You should not mention them. Why? Because if you mention them, people will think you're Salafi. You're not a Salafi. Said who? Said I. So if you don't believe in our Salaha, our Allama, XYZ, 3 or 4 scholars of their contemporaries, then you're not a Salafi. And these people, they have more sound than action. They are professionals in targeting celebrities, da'is, famous scholars, and they neglect benefiting the ummah. They neglect the akhlaq of the Prophet ﷺ and his etiquettes and the manners. So that's why laymen look at them and stay away, because the way they talk and slander people is horrible. So they stay away from them. And like they say, dogs that bark don't bite, unfortunately. So they only target celebrities and famous people, and they judge their intention. They say, oh, these guys teach Islam just to camouflage their ill intent. They talk about khuruj, but they actually want you to do khuruj. They warn people from. How do you know? They, as if they have opened the hearts of people and they know their intentions. So such people are filled with envy, hasad. And because these people went places, these people are accepted by the masses, so we should bring them down. Okay, bring them down. Who to put in their place? Me, of course. So if I speak ill against you and against them and against all of them, the only one left in the arena is me, so you have to follow me. May Allah Azza wa Jal guide you.